How to patch your wetsuit. That's what I'm going to be doing today. This is my 4-3 O'Neill wetsuit. It's very old, and this is from when I'm carrying my... There we go. Get some rubber on there to have a little bit more durability to the grip. Oh, looks good. Clean it up a little bit. And there's another small patch on the back side. I'll do it at the same time. And there's one other small additional patch where just glue will be plenty. Denatured alcohol. Clean up the surface. Here's the additional hole where a little bit of patch and a little bit of glue should fix it up. So first I'll just put a little glue here, and this is a reinforcing layer. It's gonna lay it in the grass. Should be fine. Okay. Now let's do this patch here. Some glue on there, and for this I'll put some glue here too. There we go. And a little bead around just to make sure nothing will catch on the edges. Should be good. And for this, I want to do something a little particular. This is the conductive material will help it be not conductive. So if I just put a bunch of glue in there, it will dry, but my shoulder might get a little cool. So rather than doing that, I'm going to make sure I don't put too much glue right there on the inside, just around. And that should give me what I'm looking for as far as a good adhesion. And I'll put some glue on here also. Maybe just a tiny bit in the center, but mainly around the outsides. And I also use denatured alcohol on these patches. There we go, I got it all glued up, and let's put the patch down. Nice. And put a big rim of glue on the edge. Or a big bead of glue around the edge. And for weights, just a little piece of wood should be enough to make sure it stays down. And I checked the instructions, 24 hours for cure time and then 72 for max. So I'm outside, it's probably gonna rain the next couple of days, so I'll bring this inside after some of the fumes have died down a little bit. I just thought of a rather fancy idea. Just have these pieces of wood and just clamp the glue piece closed, because even though a little weight, if it's off, the material could fold a little bit and it could provide a little bit of gap, and it could just be this open space, but now it's clamped tight. About an hour after I glued these, I realized, wait, glue's gonna squeeze out and glue to this MDF, and that's not gonna be good. So I slowly pried it off before the glue is completely cured, and I put some wax paper on there. So that's something you should definitely do beforehand. Let's see how this, yeah, that's not so bad. That was much easier than what it was before, as far as kind of slowly prying it off, but the wax paper, yeah, still a little sticky, but much better. So that's good. I like that. Good. I was thinking I was going to put another bead around here, but this looks nice and solid. This is a little bit of a wood from where the glue stuck. Let's see. This is the spot also that I just put a little bit of glue on, and that's good. I can use this as a confident place for the board to rest without it ripping through the wetsuit. So this is a successful, fast, easy repair. Just use materials off of what you have to make this repair happen. An old booty, I mean, you could buy a neoprene, but just repurposing. I've had my full body 4-3 wetsuit out for 3 sessions now. It's holding up nicely. I was thinking about doing an extra rim of glue, but there's no need. It looks just fine. It's an old suit, and I'm really happy that I was able to extend this further out without having to buy a new suit. Eventually I will, of course, get a new suit, but this is holding up, and yeah, it worked out. Very fast, easy repair, and sometimes easy and affordable is the way to go. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Maybe see you on the water.